Good morning, I'm Charlotte Deleste with your Channel3000.com headlines for Thursday, June 20th. The state Senate will take up the budget this morning after an interesting day in the Assembly. Republicans passed a technical amendment that made a few changes to the budget, but Democrats offered no amendments, saying they didn't believe any would have been accepted. Democrats had more than 200 amendments drafted, but instead called for a vote. The beating of a homeless man in downtown Madison is now a homicide. The 61-year-old died of his injuries last night at UW Hospital. A witness who had been sleeping on a nearby bench woke early Tuesday morning to the man being beaten in the head. Police believe it was a targeted attack. The suspect, 32-year-old Justin Brooks, has been booked in the Dane County Jail. And we have some sad news out of Italy with the death of an American actor. James Gandolfini died of a heart attack yesterday while on vacation in Rome. He's known most for playing Tony Soprano in the HBO TV show The Sopranos. The award-winning series ran for 8 years. The 51-year-old won 3 Emmys for his role as the mob boss. Gandolfini is survived by his wife and 2 children. This has been a Channel3000.com update.